Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and I live in the UK up north in Warrington, and you can find me on Instagram and Facebook, and of course here as Linda Simpson Designs. Also I'm on Ravelry as well as Linda Simpson Designs, and I've got sock pattern, my first sock pattern, my second sock pattern's due to come out. Well, it should be out by the time this goes live. So yeah, so check me out on Ravelry as well. So second Monday of August, and it's a sock giveaway. And what I have for you this month is I have got a 9-inch 3mm circular needle with some stitch markers, the light bulb stitch markers, which are my favourite, and we've got Stylecraft Head Over Heels Nature, Walking in Nature, and this colour is called Promenade. So it's all different shades of blues and white, and it's not a pure white, it's more of an off-white, but they will make nice socks, and that's how it knits up. So, and it is 100 grams, 75% superwash wool, 25% polyamide, 396 meters, 433 yards. So you'll get a nice decent pair of socks out of them, and maybe a pair of shorties as well. I usually, out of one of these, I get a shorties for me. Well, I've only got little feet, haven't I? And a pair of socks for Rick. So yeah, and you'll get a tape measure as well, and you'll also get a key ring that says "Be Kind," which my sister June made for me to give with my giveaways. So thank you, June. So the word I would like for you to add is sock. So yeah, so if you could write the word sock in your comments. I really enjoy reading your comments. There's so much fun to read on how you incorporate sock and all of the words that I've put in. I've asked you in the past. So it goes live today, 14th of August, and it closes on Friday. This is only a small, small window to enter. So share with your friends, get as many of your friends involved as well. And the winner will be announced on the 21st of August. The rules are you need to be a subscriber of my channel, because these giveaways are for my subscribers. It's worldwide. All my giveaways, as always, they're worldwide, and you need to be 18 years and over. All the rules and regulations by YouTube are in the description box below, along with the dates, and also a link to make your channel let me see that you are subscribed to me. So that'll be in the description box below, as well as all the dates. And don't forget, the word is sock, and it closes on the 18th of, so you've got 5 days to enter. So take care, everybody. Don't forget, I need sock, which is quite simple really, isn't it? Take care, everybody. Stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And I'll see you all again real soon. Bye.